Are you looking for an affordable, beginner drone that you can practice on, and at the same time can record amazing videos and pictures? Then I will give you a list. 1. C-Fly Faith Mini. Here are the specs. Overall, the C-Fly Faith Mini is a very good drone. It is good for people who are looking for a cheap, affordable drone but can record amazing footage. It costs $175. 2. DJI Mini 2 SE. Here are the specs. The DJI is a great high-quality drone, and it costs $175, a little bit less expensive compared to other DJI drones, and it can do the job. When comparing the two, the C-Fly Faith Mini 2 is the way to go, although the DJI drones are always better quality. The camera quality and capabilities of each drone are not that different, but the C-Fly Faith Mini saves you $130. That's all for this video. If you want to see or know what the best toy drone is, look at the video link in the description.